Nope. No, there's no buttons on it anywhere. I don't know what you click. Hi guys, MJ here. Today I'm unboxing this brand new Click and Grow Smart Garden 3. I can't wait to start growing some herbs here in the kitchen in it, and I think I'll be able to grow them year round, and I'm really looking forward to having fresh herbs in the winter. In this box, everything you need to start growing. 1 Smart Garden 3, 2 lamp extension arms, 3 complimentary plant pods with basil seeds. I love this on the back. The easiest way to grow plants, period. That sounds like something that I need in my life. This self-watering garden helps plants thrive by automatically making sure they always have the right amount of light, water, oxygen, and nutrients. So it says for light, it's featuring an LED grow light, faster germination and growth, water tank included, make sure the plants are always watered, and for oxygen and nutrients, innovative technology makes sure plant roots always get enough oxygen and nutrients. So that must be their smart soil. It says no GMOs, pesticides, or herbicides are used. I love how it's boxed up like an iPhone. I guess it is a smart garden, so that makes sense. So I think this bottom white part is the planter, then we're gonna put the light arm on, and then we're gonna put the plant pods in. We must click something to grow. Plant pod 3-pack for Smart Garden. Basil. So, this looks like the main garden piece. Okay. The tallest basil plant ever measured 3.34 meters, which is 10 feet and 11.5 inches, and hailed from Greece. To avoid running the light at night, plug it in right after waking up. So I think I'll get everything ready right now so that I can just plug it in first thing in the morning. Welcome to your Smart Garden 3. Let's get started. Number 1, insert the plant pods. Click the U-shaped lids in place and add the clear germination domes. Number 2, name your plants. Label each plant cup. Number 3, fill the tank. Pour water into the tank until the water level indicator reaches the top of the garden. So I think that must be this float here. Number 4, plug the garden in. Your garden will start running the minute you plug it in. To make sure your lamp isn't bright when you sleep, plug your garden in during the morning. Number 5, fit the power cord. The Smart Garden comes with a narrow groove on the tank, lamp, and extensions to hide the power cord for a sleeker and cleaner look. Number 6, use the lamp arm extensions once the plants reach the lamp. So, pro tips for a perfect garden. It says, remember to remove the germination domes once the plants have sprouted, adjust the lamp height with extensions when the plants start reaching it, keep the float level to the top of the garden by adding water when it reaches the bottom of it. Don't overfill. Keep the plastic plant cups and domes are reusable. You can expect sprouts to appear in 1 to 3 weeks. Okay, so these must be the pre-seeded plant pods. It looks a lot like normal potting soil. I don't know, but it's probably a mix of like peat and cocoa coir, peat or cocoa coir. I don't see any perlite in it. But yeah, it looks a lot like fancy potting soil. So I'm gonna set aside the little dome and this lid that I think snaps on. Yes. And we'll just pop in one of these pre-seeded plant pods. So there's lots of room in there, so I expect that it's going to swell up when the water hits it. I think that the click from putting the lid on is slightly more satisfying than the click from putting the whole capsule in the garden. 50.7 fluid ounces, 1.5 liters of water. So this is not going to be enough water. Okay, it's kind of fun to watch the float come up. All right, I'm gonna call that level. So I've got the 3 plant pods in here. The little clear germination domes are in place and it's full of water. So I think we're ready to plug it in first thing tomorrow morning. Let's check it out. Nice. So it looks like the potting soil is saturated with water, so that's great. The water must be wicking up into the potting soil, and hopefully the seeds are moist and will germinate soon. It'll be fun to watch for the sprouts and see how long it takes. I have never had a fully little contained indoor garden like this, so I'm really looking forward to this process. You can see the float in the water tank is down just a little bit, probably from saturating these 3 pods of potting soil. Just gonna watch this basil grow. I'll keep an eye on this for the next few weeks and months and keep you guys updated about how it's going, and most importantly, whether or not it is as easy as click and grow. We shall see. I'm really looking forward to this. See you in the next video.